Hello everyone. Today we're going to continue with the area model of multiplication. I want you to notice the pattern that continues as we move into the thousands place. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to break the 3,427 into place value. So the 3 is in the thousands spot, and we're going to add that to the 4 that's in the hundreds. And then the 2 is in the tens, so that's 2 tens is 20. And then there are 7 ones. So 3,427 written in expanded form is 3,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 7. So the pattern that we're going to notice is down here. When we draw this large rectangle, because we're dealing with a 4-digit number up here, and we're going to make 4 boxes. Now again, the single digit number 4 will go on the side, and we are going to be bringing down the 3,427. So the 7 ones goes all the way to the right. The 2 tens, 20, is going to this box right here. We're going to put the 400 in the next place, and then finally the 3,000. Now remember, we're multiplying this like a grid. So in each of these boxes, we're going to multiply, and we're going to bring the 4 over to multiply each one of these values. So when we're multiplying and when you get into the traditional algorithm, you're going to start in the ones column. So we're going to practice by starting in the ones column here. The first thing we're going to multiply is 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. The next number you're going to multiply is, we're going to bring the 20 down here. We're going to do 4 times 20. Again, basic facts help you. 4 times 2 is 8, but we're multiplying that by 4 times 20, not 4 times 2. So 4 times 20 is 80. Then we're going to bring the 400 down to this box. We're going to use our basic facts again. 4 times 4 is 16. However, this is not just 4 times 4, it's 4 times 400. So we have to bring the 100, the 2 zeros, down as well. And then finally, we're going to multiply 4 times 3,000. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have these 3 zeros because we're multiplying in the thousands. So we'll bring those 3 zeros down. Remember, those basic facts will help you to do this larger multiplication. I'm going to bring each of these values, these products here, the partial products. These are parts of the final product. I'm going to bring them over, and I'm going to line them up underneath our algorithm here. I'm going to start with the ones, and I have 28. Make that look more like a 2. I'm going to check that off. Then the 4 times the 2 tens, the 20, is 80. And line that up again. Remember, you can draw your lines to separate each one, especially as you have more values. I'm going to erase my 4 here. Then we have 1,600. Okay, and then finally 12,000. That's got 3 zeros, a 2, and a 1, all the way to the 10,000s place. And because we're multiplying, we're going to add all these together. Okay, so I have 8 plus all these zeros is 8. 2 plus 8 here is 10, so we're going to put the 0 and regroup that 110, or it's actually 100. Then I have 1 plus 6 is 7, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and bring down that 1. So I'm going to count over, my comma has to go in front of 3 digits. So we have my final answer right here. Circle that final answer is 13,708.